In this video, I will be doing some price analysis and some price predictions on Chiliz, which is ticker CHZ. We'll have a look at some key levels that you could take for an investment opportunity and then some price targets for the future. So if you're interested in finding out more, please hit that like button, make sure you are subscribed, and let's crack on. So hello, welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. We will run over some of the key statistics first, then we'll jump into some price analysis and then I will give a price prediction towards the end of the video. So Chiliz, which is ticker CHZ, has a coin price today of 48 cents. We are 7% up on today's trading. If you look, we have a total and a maximum supply of 8.888 billion tokens and currently in circulation 5.5 billion, which is 63% of that entire supply. If you're looking to get hold of some and have a look at this volume here where we're getting traded the most, you would expect it to be, yes, Binance. So Binance is getting 33% of the entire market volume just against Tether, and then we've got a fair old chunk again, BTC, BNB, BUSD and Euro, and even GBP. Yeah, it's quite a new pair. If you're looking, if you're in the UK and looking to get hold of some, you can buy it direct with GBP, which does save on a transfer over to USDT as well. If you are not on Binance already, you will find that link in the pinned comment in the description. I do recommend Binance. It's probably one of the best exchanges to use, and if you use my link, you get 5% off your trading fees as well. One key point before we do move over to some price analysis is the all-time highs, which was 89 cents, which was last month. We are 45% down from that, so that to me shows us that it is a good level to buy now, but we will have a look at that on the charts now. So if we just find where it is, Chiliz USDT, what we'll do is look at the Tether pair and then we'll also look at the BTC pair too. If we just start off on a weekly time frame, you can see we're that massive 2,738% move since February. So that is absolutely massive. That just shows you that the power that has been driving behind this asset. We do know that this project offers fan tokens, and recently they bought Manchester City on, and I think Roma, and they've got some other massive clubs like Real Madrid, Barcelona. All their fan tokens are built on top of the Chiliz network, so the more teams that come on board, naturally the higher the price is going to go, adding to that ecosystem. Looking at the MACD there on the weekly time frame, massively bullish. I mean, it looks quite bearish on the current sentiment because we have had a good recovery, a good drop in price there, but that's nothing to worry about. I think that that does give us some good levels to buy. So what I'm going to do is drop into daily. We'll work our way through each time frame. So this is from previous TA, and this is the Fibonacci retracement tool. So I put it on from the bottom of the move all the way up to the top, and then this does give us some key levels to buy. And in my previous videos, I did say that this level was the area to buy. Personally, if we do get a market shakeout again, we will only get a wick down into this area. I can't see us trading much within that area. So if you're looking to place some orders, potentially place some at 37 cents, 38 cents, and you might get lucky. But I think the level to buy is anywhere around this 50% retracement level. So you're talking anywhere from pretty much 45 cents up towards 50 cents, I think is a solid buy. I really do. If you just look at the MACD here, we had a bearish cross, and as you can see, the histogram flipped bearish, and that was for pretty much, I mean, from the 22nd of March, we have been in a bearish phase, and you can see with that, the RSI was massively overbought, and we got a lot of selling pressure. But that's not to worry about. If you did manage to buy some Chiliz up and around here, and you're flapping thinking, shit, I'm in the red, don't worry about it because it will pump up again. And to be honest, I think this is going to pop very soon. If you're looking at MACD, it's coming towards the end of that bearish phase, and if we do get what's coming like a crossover on these moving averages here, you could really expect a nice trade. Let's just drop into a 4 hour and see what's going on there. See, we have got a tick to the upside on the MACD, so I'm honestly thinking that we are really going to start to push up soon. I can't see us coming back down here, but I have some orders placed just in case. But I'm potentially looking to place a long on here. I know you can trade futures, I think, on Binance with a long. So potentially look at this current move. I mean, let's just get that grey box there, it's a bit off-putting. So if you're looking to open a potential leverage trade, then look at this move here. We'll put the Fibonacci on this, will give us some key levels to target. I usually target the 382 level for buying, so if you're looking for a long setup, you could pretty much target, where's my long tool? There it is. So you could target either 50% or a 38% fib, but I'm going to go from this level here. So we'll put a stop loss at around 5%, that's pretty much of a 786 level. And then we can, if we ever zoom out, we can pretty much look to target this level here or this level for a selling. What you're going to do, if we do push up to there and we are coming as profit, don't sell your bag, just pretty much move your stop loss up accordingly. As the price pushes up, keep moving that stop loss up. So potential entry there on the 382 at 0.473 with a stop loss down at pretty much 0.449. So that could be a good potential trade setup if the market does allow. So there's some buy zones and a trade. Really, we need to push above this level here, I think, for the next major hurdle to get through at 71 cent. That is a first key area for us to push through, and then we can really start to look at targeting those all-time highs yet. But we have got a long way to go in terms of a price percentage from current prices up to all-time highs. With pretty much 100% to make up. But that's nothing to worry about. I think we'll hit that quite soon. If we just take a quick look at the BTC pair, and we'll jump into some price predictions. Again, this level is a key area to buy. So if you're looking to buy anywhere from 690 Satoshis up to 880, I think is a nice area to push in. The all-time high of that is 1,686 sats, I believe. Yes, it is. So that is the all-time high in sats. So that is a key area to go as well. I mean, that was a massive wake up and a quite significant drop down in terms of price. We've been down 59% on BTC pair. So hopefully nobody's been burnt too much. But this now, in my opinion, is a solid level to buy in on the Satoshi pair as well. The MACD, we are in that bearish phase, but again, it looks like it's going to come to an end soon. So a couple of buy zones there within around this area, and I will give some price targets on that once we start get a bit of momentum. But let's have a look at this in terms of a price prediction. We really need to understand, for example, if we push up to $2, $3, $4 or $5, how much that market cap will be and whereabouts it would pretty much put us in a position on coin market cap. So we do know that we have 5.5 billion tokens in circulation. That's what we pull as market cap from. So for example, if we went up to 2 billion, you're talking that will be an $11 billion market cap. If we just look at that in terms of a position where it would be $11 billion, would bring us to around 14th place, along the lines of Theta, Filecoin, even USD coin, Dogecoin, which has absolutely zero use case. If we pushed up to $5 billion, $5 per coin, and that would take us up to around $27 billion. Obviously, all these assets will be pushing up at a minute, but it will take us up to around 7th to 8th place. Uniswap currently has 17 billion, and then Polkadot is quite a big gap there, up to 37 billion. So as long as this project keeps developing and pushing around the globe with these fan tokens, then I do think I can pretty much push up towards the top 10 slot. If we look at this in terms of where we'll be in terms of a price percentage and how long it would take us to get there, we have had to zoom out quite a while here, but let's just drop into a weekly actually. Yeah, it even looks worse. But in terms of a price percentage from current prices up to $5, then that's 900%. You might think, God, Andy, that's a long way off and it's going to take a lot to push it up. Well, it is. But we do know that this project has already done a 2,000% move in the course of the last 8 weeks. So this is very possible. And I honestly believe that this project can hit $5 at some stage in the future. Whether that be this bull cycle or the next bull cycle, I do think it's going to be very possible. But we just need to keep his feet on the ground and monitor the current price, what we've got here. Going up to $5 would be a massive gain if you could buy some. I'm considering buying some now as a spot investment and as a long trade. So I do believe that over the course of this next alt run that we are in. There's a good chance we can hit $3, but $5 is my ultimate target, and I do think we can secure a place within the top 10 over the course of the next year and a half. So that is going to do it for today's video. That is some price analysis and a price prediction on Chiliz from myself. If you're not already, then please make sure that you do subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, and I'll catch you next time.